Oh yeah, they tell me I'm a bad boy. All the ladies look at me and act cold.
Buonasera a tutti, sono Valentina Corrubolo, ho 18 anni, vivo a Fagagna, un paese in provincia di Udine. Frequento l'istituto tecnico Zanon, studio inglese, tedesco e spagnolo. E sono una ragazza molto dinamica, curiosa e lunatica.
On the dance floor, when she moves, girl, I want more. Keep it going, girl, like I gotta know, girl, you got me saying, oh, little bad girl.
Nel tempo libero pratico macumba nella palestra della mia città, mi piace molto cucinare e d'inverno scio. Mi sono iscritta a Miss Topolini perché mi piace molto il mondo della moda e infatti vorrei diventare una modella e magari andare a vivere a New York.
All the ladies look at me and act coy. I just like to put my hands up in the air.
Buonasera giuria, votatemi perché sono una ragazza molto determinata e spero di avere il vostro voto. Un saluto a tutte le ragazze di Miss Topolini, all'organizzazione, ai miei amici e alla mia famiglia. Ciao ciao!
I wanna see it move like a movie on flight. She got it how I want it and I want it all night. Look at her go on the dance floor. She's amazing on the dance floor. When she moves, girl, I want more. Keep it going, girl, like I gotta know, girl. You got me saying, go, little bad girl, little bad girl, go, little bad girl, little bad girl, go, little bad girl, little bad girl, go, little bad girl, go.
See, I got my heart jumping and my adrenaline pumping and gunning like ain't nobody ever seen. Matter of fact, I seen a woman all up in my dream. Whipping and flipping and stacking and slapping, I'm attacking after she back it up and make it drop. After I met her, I told her, David, go wet on the track, baby girl, don't stop. Keep it going, you never know when somebody's gonna throw a couple dollars. Got a pocket full of $100 bills, ludicrous, Mr. Make a Woman holler. And every night on the floor, putting on a show. Everybody in the club, there's a little something you should know.
Look at her go on the dance floor. She's amazing on the dance floor. When she moves,